Hello, I'm Derek Crane with Crane Factor, and we bring you programs, products, and inspiration about healthy living, fitness training, and living an amazing life. Today on Tutorial Tuesday, we're going to go over a phenomenal hamstring warm-up, and what it's called is a good morning. So I'll go over just body-weighted good mornings, and then show you how you can implement that with a weighted bar as well. So on a good morning, what you're going to want to do is just stand wider than shoulder width apart, just barely wider, and then weight into the heels as you lean forward, keeping the knees just slightly bent. You're going to bring the chest towards the ground and then coming straight back up, so that you're parallel, your upper body's parallel with the ground. But from this position, you could actually put like a cup of water on your back and it would not spill. That's what you want to take from this. So just body weighted there. Go ahead and do 2 sets of 10 there, and then grabbing a bar. You can grab a 10 weighted bar. You can grab a 45-pound weighted bar. What you're gonna do is put it in the front rack position, come up overhead, put it in the back rack position, and then same concept there. Leaning forward, keeping the back straight, and then coming up. One way to build phenomenal strength through the hamstrings would be to do this as strength training. So you'd get to the squat rack and do a weighted good morning and start actually building weight. So start with the 45-pound bar and then do a set of 10. Slowly start adding weight, doing a set of 10, making sure that the whole entire technique of keeping the back straight as you're leaning forward, tailbone goes towards the back wall, chest upright, coming straight back up, is all implemented. And if this is the first time that you're doing this exercise, definitely start light. I highly recommend that you start even 5 pounds, 10 pounds, do 3 sets of 10, where the whole entire technique of leaning forward, keeping the chest upright, knees slightly bent, parallel with the ground, coming straight back up, hip full extension is all implemented, and then start building weight slowly. What I recommend is actually doing 3 sets of 10, especially if it's your first time. Stay light, and then as you continue to do it, you can start building weight. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel to be able to check out amazing other videos all about motivation, tutorials, workouts, nutrition. We have fitness. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.